Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for CRM lead nurturing, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab on the dashboard.
Click the Create an Automation button to start a new workflow.
Choose a blank automation to customize it to your needs.
Select the Start from Scratch option to build your automation.
Next, click Continue to enter the automation canvas. Now, you need to define the trigger for your automation.
Choose Submits a form if you want to nurture leads from form submissions.
Select the specific form you want to use for this automation.
Click Add Start to confirm your trigger selection.
Next, add an action by clicking the plus icon on the canvas. Choose Send an email to send your first nurturing email. In the email setup, click on Create an email. Enter a compelling subject line for your email. Compose the email content to engage your leads effectively.
Use personalization tags to make the email feel more individualized.
Click Continue to save your email and return to the automation canvas.
Now, add a delay action by clicking the plus icon again. Select Wait to set a time before the next action occurs. Decide on the duration of the wait, such as 2 days.
After the wait, add another action to send a follow-up email.
Repeat the email creation process with a different message for your nurturing sequence.
Consider adding more delay actions in subsequent emails to extend the nurture sequence.
You can also use if/else conditions to segment your leads based on their behavior. This allows for more tailored follow-ups and ensures relevance in your communications.
Once you have set up all desired actions, click on Active in the top right corner.
Review your automation settings and conditions carefully. Make sure everything aligns with your lead nurturing goals.
Finally, test the automation to ensure all triggers and emails function as intended.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.